Hi friends and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's quick Adobe Photoshop tutorial, you will learn how you can change eye color or add fake lenses to your portraits. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up the image you want the eye color to be changed by pressing Ctrl O and locating your image. Next step is to create a new layer. By pressing Ctrl Shift N, you can create a new layer, and we will name this layer by double clicking on its default name, which is layer 1, and name it eye color. Next step is to select the brush tool with the B key or from the toolbar on the left and increase or decrease the brush tip size with the brackets. If you want, you can zoom it with Control space and left mouse drag. Now make sure your foreground color is some other color rather than the neutral colors and click OK. Click once on the eye pupil and do the same for the second one. If you want, you can do this individually on separate layers. Now I will select the razor tool with the E key and decrease the razor size to remove the area which I don't want in my selection. Next step here is go to the blending options and change the blending mode to soft light. If you want, you can press Ctrl U to bring up the hue saturation command and increase the saturation or hue, change it to some other color, for example blue. Click OK. Final step here is go to the filter menu, blur, choose Gaussian blur and add a little blur to make it look more realistic. Press Ctrl 0 to zoom back to fit in, and that was it. Hope you liked today's video.